The financial sector is rapidly undergoing a transformation with digital payments, online lending, robo trading, and so on and so forth.
In today's world, we realize that the financial leaders of tomorrow does not only need to understand the landscape of financial industry, they also need to have an exposure to the technologies that is reshaping that transformation.
I am proud to announce the program Advanced Management Program in FinTech and AI Applications.
AMPFI is ideal for senior or mid-level managers with more than 5 years of experience.
The entire course is designed keeping the working professional in mind. This includes our first module, which is the FinTech trends, challenges and opportunities, and a financial foundation to FinTech. Second aspect of this course is we have 3 separate modules for you. The first one, which will talk about the introduction to AI, particularly from the perspective of FinTech. And then you absolutely see that how this AI and its applications are implemented in the real world financial service sector. Along with that, you have a separate module which talks about blockchain and how blockchain is transforming financial sector. Third dimension of our course is 2 separate modules. One, AI in action, and other one is FinTech in action. The fourth dimension, you have 2 separate modules, FinTech product development and management module, where throughout the course you will be working on your own idea.
The sessions that we have in these programs are usually live and interactive.
Most of the classes are scheduled during the weekends, will be hands-on with the assistance of Python or Thinkable for technology product development. By the end of this program, you will have a comprehensive understanding of this FinTech landscape and how the cutting-edge technologies like AI and blockchain are reshaping the entire landscape.
If you are passionate about shaping the future of finance and ready to harness the technology that is shaping it, then Advanced Management Program of FinTech and AI Applications offered by IIM Calcutta is an ideal place to do that. Join us and let's shape the future of FinTech together.